on a tightrope. I'm on a thin line and I better not choke. I'm on a tightrope, on a tightrope. The people tell me I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope, on a tightrope. I'm on a thin line and I better not choke. So when I'm on a thin line, yes I can't fall. Still over here, have the faith on y'all. Faith in the people and the faith in the Lord. Come over here and stand with the Lord. Now that the people doing what they do, looking over here, better trying to lean to. Lean to the left and then lean to the right, but you on a tightrope, but you still wanna walk that. Said I'm on a tightrope. People's over here said I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a thin line when I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a thin line and I better not choke. I'm on a tightrope. So let me tell you when I'm on a tightrope. So when you on a thin line, on a tightrope, stay with your focus on a tightrope. Stay on your center of gravity too. Let me tell you, it's you and you. Don't worry about the other people stopping you. Still over here saying yes, you the truth. Better not show, don't even go ball. Don't worry about all distracting you on y'all. People wanna stop you, people wanna ride. People wanna stop you off your shine. People wanna tell you go over there, but you on a tightrope, so you can't hear. Say, hey, saying I'm on a tightrope. People's over here saying I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope, on a thin line when I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope, on a thin line when I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope. I tell the people that I better not choke. So now when I try to keep my mind straight, people's over here saying yes we straight. Straight over here saying yes it's parallel. Still over here coming up with a tail. People talking about me, people saying this. People trying to talk about trying to diss this. But they tell me I will not shine. Shine over here but I'm in my prime. Talk about my tightrope every single time. People's over here when they saying it's mine. Talking about you but you talking about me. If you doing things that's bad to thee, now you over there not listen to the Lord though. I'm talking about with the Lord when you flow though. When I saying we rockin' with this on the tightrope when we wanna own this. Said hey, said I'm on the tightrope. People tell me say I did not choke. Said I'm on a tightrope. People's over here when I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope. People tell me said I'm on a tightrope. I said I'm on a tightrope. People tell me that I better not choke. If you over here just for me, keep it over here on a tightrope on me. Now you over here and I be still just going. People's over here saying other was going. If you think it's boring, this is not for you. Still over here, but we keep it true. Wanna keep it true for friends and family. The people on a tightrope with your family. Don't stop, don't even stop your grinding. People's over here, yes, you were shining. Shining over here, showing all your love. Showing all the energy, yes, the what is up. Saying, hey, saying I'm on a tightrope. People tell me I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope. The people's over here, and I bet not choke. I'm on a tightrope. The people tell me, saying I guess a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope, on a thin line today when I'm on a tightrope. Now that the tightrope trying to go swaying, I'm over here saying other people praying. Praying over here saying yes I got in. Still over here saying come once again. Now I'm over here just doing what I do. People looking up to the sun for who? Looking for the prayer, looking for the savior. I'm on a tightrope. People say you save her. Can you save yourself for the first one? Then you save everyone when you get some. Maybe you wanna go and have fun, but you on a tight run to get some. Hey, said I'm on a tightrope. People's over here when I'm on a tightrope. I'm on a tightrope. The people tell me said I'm on a tightrope.